Welcome back to another episode of Automotive Insight. Today's episode is a 2013 Prius C. Customers state that they're hearing a roar noise in the rear, and they said they need a wheel bearing replaced. So let's check it out. So upon further inspection, it is the right rear wheel bearing that is making noise. The other side sounds a lot quieter, so we're going to replace the right rear. Lug nuts are 21. So we're going to take the drum off. You can use a hammer to tap around it. This does have two threaded holes in it. I think they're like M8 by 1.25. You can use a bolt and you can push it off. Hammer trick didn't work besides just ringing in the ears. Now we'll just use our M8 by 1.25 bolt. Make sure your parking brake is undone. There's an electrical connector on the back side. It has a casing on it. So there is a tab on the bottom. Using a pick, we can get it undone. Oh, yeah. See, I could have just stuck my pick right there, pushed the
Because squeezing it doesn't do any good, dude. Like, it never releases. It's like coil tabs or whatever.
To give a little bit more detail, the casing is on there like this. There's a tab on top, and then there's a tab on the bottom. Right in here, if you want to try, you can reach in there with a pick and not have to undo this and get the connector off that way. The release tab is on the bottom, and you could try to reach in there with a pick and pick it up and get the connector off that way, but the tab is on the bottom. Okay, there's 4 bolts holding the wheel bearing in. You access these from the outside. They are 14 millimeters. I will try our hammer again and see if we can't knock the wheel bearing out that way. So the hub is stuck in the backing plate. We're going to put some WD-40 on it. Some food for thought, getting it separated from the backing plate, took a little bit of work, but places that are probably a lot more rustier, you can grind this down around the backside because the metal brake line is flexible. Now, if you're up north and it's rusty, your brake line probably snap. But anyway, you can grind this down, and that does help the removal process even easier. Just a little bit more information on that and another way of getting this off the backing plate. So to help separate it, I was catching the edge of this right there and then hitting the backing plate, and then I'd move it to the top, do the same thing, catch it there, and then knock on the backing plate. Just went back and forth a few times, and that worked its way out. If that doesn't work, you could easily undo the brake hose and probably take this to a press and knock it out that way. I got our new wheel bearing. I put some anti-seize around where it fits into the backing plate. The connector goes up top. Using the bolts to press it in, just I evenly tighten it so it doesn't get crooked going back in. All right, we can torque the 4 bolts down to 66 foot-pounds. So we're going to put our casing back on the connector before reconnecting to our wheel bearing. Probably make life a lot easier.
It's not. It doesn't stick out that far.
That's what she said. Oh.
Well, that's why I don't take them things off.
There we go. I think that's better. So the wire goes through the middle section, then wraps around over the top, and then the insulation sits on the groove part on the top there. We'll clamp it. After it took me about 3 minutes to figure that out myself.
Minute 42.
Minute 42. We'll just go and plug it back in. Put our drum back on. Spin it, make sure it's not rubbing anything, and put your wheel back on. All right, well, that wraps up the Prius. We test drove it. The vehicle sounds a whole lot better. Labor on this cost for 1 hour, and we was able to source the part for about $200. This is a Koyo wheel bearing. It is, Aisin is the OE. Aisin was on the original one we took off. Koyo does well. They make a lot of the OE manufacturer wheel bearings, so I'm fine with what we put on there. It should get a good long life out of it. But anyway, I may not have all your answers. Hopefully I had some. That being said, we'll see you on the next one.
Said I'll pick you up at 8.